Located within the Employee pull-down menu is Timeclock Manager. What this allows back office management to do is to go in and make changes to existing shifts. First of all, select on the desired date. It will default to the current date, but you can select any other previous date, and then select Get Shifts. What this will do then is go into the time and attendance tables, and from here pull out the information pertaining to who has clocked in and clocked out, who was on break, and so on like that. And they all show up within here. So you'll have a list of all of the different employees that reside on the system within that given shift. So within this, for example, if I have Gina Gregory, and for whatever reason there's been some kind of problem as far as when she clocked in, or maybe with her job position, she signed in under the wrong job position, or her rate of pay is different, or whatever the case, then I can make changes to a record right from within here. Now, any of the information that shows up in black is information that you can edit. Information that is grayed out is information that is not yet available for you to change. So for example, Gina is currently clocked into the system and she is not punched out, so I cannot edit her time. I also have a couple of lines in yellow as well. These indicate breaks. Now here, for example, I have Jack, and Jack is currently on a break. You'll see that he does not have a punch-out time. And with that, I can actually change as far as when his punch-in time maybe took place. So rather than 10:47, I can knock it back a couple of minutes. Also, I have Lana. And within Lana, Lana has already gone on a break, and she is now punched back into the system, so her break is over. And what I can do here is I could change her time as well. Once you have all this done, then you can select on Save, and this will save those changes. Coming up to the top, we have a pull-down menu of File, and within here we have Setup. And so within here, this is where you set up in terms of the shift times, the hours of operation for the establishment, what is the first day of the week, number of days to load, and so on. This is all covered within also the setup for employee scheduling, and so we'll take a look at that later on. The next one over is Special. And under Special we have Add Shift. So for example, I can add in a whole separate shift that maybe the person forgot to clock in or whatever the case. And I can add that within here. Also, I can delete a break. So right now I'm highlighted on break and I can actually delete that. Or if I go over to just a general work shift, then you'll see I can delete that work shift as well. And any changes that are made to this are recorded within the change log.